Ninja's litter. This is Ninja and Oatmeal. 6 babies on their birthday. Happy birthday, cuties. 1 day old. The color combinations in litters by Oatmeal and Ninja are always so interesting. 2 days. 3 days. 6 days. 9 days. Here they are at 5 weeks old. Hi, Ninja. There's Mama Ninja over there. Six weeks old. Ninja's litter. One of the little ones has 1 ear up and 1 down. And one of the Fawn, and also one of the chocolate has 1 ear up and 1 ear down. See? Oh, they're so cute. Hi. This is how friendly they are. They're at the door. They want to be taken out and handled. Hi, Yo-Yo. They're just so cute. Hi, babies. Okay, this is Dragon's litter at 8 weeks. Or well, 7.5 or so. And they are about ready to be adopted. So before some of them start disappearing from our little farm, I wanted to do a wrap up. So this litter was Dragon, who we can see right here in the middle. She's a seal colored Angora, and that means she's just almost black, but she's got some brown in her coloring, if you can see that on her nose. And she has 2 lop ears, even though she's purebred. That's just because her ears are a little too big, so the cartilage flopped when she was growing. And that is passed down through some of her kits. You see this little cutie in the front. This is a Fawn doe, which is a female. And she's got 1 ear up, 1 ear down. And she's just absolutely darling. I'm going to take them out one at a time. Come on, sweetie Petey Pie. Oh, look at you. So cute. And there's Oatmeal behind her in his cage. Hey, Bun. So she's just stunning. She's incredibly friendly. And she's got already great wool. She has not had her juvenile cut yet. That'll be soon. Another couple of weeks. If they're still here around 10 weeks, that's when I do their first cut. All right. Thank you. Let's pause. This handsome lad is Yo-Yo. Yo-Yo is staying here on the farm. He's probably going to replace his dad, Oatmeal, as a breeding rabbit, and Oatmeal will go to a nice pet home. That is, as long as his ears stay upward like this. Because I love his coloration. He's a black pearl. However, I want the ears to be staying up so they meet breed standards, not flopping, even though the cute factor is totally there. And in his color, he's got a little bit of a cream colored coat, mostly white, with a little bit of cream in there. Already incredible wool. And only baby stages. Hi, cutie. This is the first little chocolate doe. Her ears have remained up. They are kind of big. Excuse my goose in the background. But they are upright ears, and she has just got the epic wool lines from her parents. You can see. Okay, she's staying here on the farm too. This little chocolate doe is so cute. She's probably the most adorable because she does have both ears lop. Ugh, so sweet. And she's got awesome wool. You can see right here behind her neck how it's curling. It's been a humid, rainy day, so she's got like humid hair, and I love it. So cute. So she is available for adoption. Despite how cute she is, unfortunately, that's not what I'm breeding for. It's not one of the characteristics I'm breeding for. even though I really just love her. So cute. And last, our black doe Onyx. Hey, love. An incredibly sweet rabbit. She was the smallest, a little bit runty in the litter. So she got a lot of extra attention and love and handling, and she's definitely a fan favorite, both here in my home as well as in my classroom at work. Similar to the chocolate with the crimping wool, she has got amazing crimp in her wool. She's got, you know, humid day hair, but it's beautiful. All right. And that's a wrap. 6 babies, 4 of which will be available for adoption and 2 of which we'll keep, at least for now. Bye, babies. And thank you, Ninja.